Hey there, welcome back to Miss April's English. Today we'll be talking about simple versus compound sentences. Let's get started. Okay, so what is a simple sentence? Well, it's a sentence that contains a subject and a verb. It's a group of words that make up a basic sentence, or we sometimes refer to this as an independent clause. Now let's look at some examples of simple sentences. John had breakfast at home. The subject here is John, and he had breakfast. Allison washed her car today. The subject Allison and the verb is washed. Sam cooked. Yep, it could be as simple as that, 2 words. Sasha flipped the pancakes over. The subject here is Sasha, and she flipped the pancakes. Now, take a look at this photo. Think about what's going on here. Can you form a simple sentence about what's happening in this photo? Try it out. Now, let's look at compound sentences. A compound sentence has a subject, a verb, and also more subjects and verbs. It's basically a group of words that make up 2 independent clauses. So 2 clauses that can stand alone, but they're together in one sentence. Here are some examples of compound sentences. Jamal studied for his exam, yet he did not pass. The first clause is Jamal studied for his exam, and the second clause is he did not pass. 2 sentences that are joined together by the word yet. Steve played tennis, and Kristen swam laps. Again, 2 sentences joined together by the word and. Wendy read the book, but she can't recall the story. Dad needs to go to the library, so he will have books to read. Let's look at this photo. Think about what's happening here, or what could be happening before this, during, or after this. What is a compound sentence that you could form from looking at this photo? Give it a try. All right, here's a couple of chances for you to try. Simple or compound sentence. When you look at the 3 sentences below, you need to figure out whether they are a compound sentence or a simple sentence. And here are the answers. How did you do? Let's try it one more time. Here are more sentences. Take a look at these and try to figure out whether they are compound or simple. Now, if you guessed these answers, you did a great job. Nice job today. We learned about simple or compound sentences, and we looked at some examples along with some exercises for you to try on your own. I hope you've enjoyed the content today. As always, remember to like and subscribe, and come back for more. See you next time.